Hey everyone! Welcome back to Astronomical 001. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on fascinating content about astrology, the cosmos, and your spiritual journey. In today's video, we're diving deep into something truly magical: moon signs and moon phases. Ever wondered how the moon affects you on a personal level? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to break it all down. The moon isn't just a celestial body we see glowing in the sky at night. It's deeply connected to our emotions, instincts, and inner world. Two key aspects of this connection are your moon sign and the moon phases. Let's start with moon signs. So, you probably know your sun sign, the zodiac sign most people talk about when it comes to horoscopes. But did you know that your moon sign might reveal even more about who you really are? Your moon sign is determined by the position of the moon at the exact time and place you were born. While your sun sign reflects your core personality and ego, your moon sign represents your emotional side, your instincts, habits, and what makes you feel secure. For example, if your moon is in Cancer, you're likely very nurturing and sensitive. If it's in Capricorn, you may feel emotionally secure when you have structure and discipline in your life. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about moon phases. Have you ever noticed how your energy seems to shift with the moon? That's because the different phases of the moon can influence everything from your emotions to your productivity. There are 8 main phases of the moon, and each one has its own unique energy. The new moon, for example, is all about new beginnings and setting intentions, while the full moon is a time for reflection and release. Understanding these phases helps you sync up with the universe, using each phase to your advantage. Want to start a new project? Do it during the waxing moon. Need to let go of something? The waning moon is perfect for that. It's all about tuning into those subtle cosmic energies that guide us. Before long, you'll start noticing how aligned you feel with the universe, and trust me, it's a game changer.